Hey there, foodies. Today, we're going to make mouth-watering Caprese chicken with just 5 simple ingredients. Let's get started. First, we'll need some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, juicy tomatoes, fresh mozzarella cheese, fragrant basil leaves, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. That's it. Let's begin. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Now season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper on both sides. Then, place them in a baking dish. Slice your tomatoes and mozzarella cheese into thick slices. Layer the tomato slices on top of each chicken breast, followed by the mozzarella slices. Tear some fresh basil leaves and sprinkle them generously over the chicken and cheese. Drizzle a bit of balsamic glaze over each chicken breast to add that tangy sweetness. Pop the dish into the preheated oven and bake for about 20 minutes, or until the chicken is fully cooked and the cheese is melted and golden brown. And there you have it. Our mouth-watering Caprese chicken is ready. Give it a try, and let me know how it turns out for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for my upcoming recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!